Welcome, curious minds, to our exploration of the incredible human body. In this journey, we'll unravel the mysteries that make us who we are. At the core of our existence lies the blueprint of life, our DNA. It's a complex code that orchestrates the symphony of our being, shaping everything from our eye color to our predisposition to certain diseases. Now let's delve into the skeleton, the sturdy framework that provides support and protection. Did you know that babies are born with around 270 bones, which eventually fuse into the 206 bones adults have? With over 600 muscles, our bodies perform a symphony of movements, from the delicate fluttering of eyelids to the powerful contractions of the heart. Blood, the life force, travels through a vast network of veins and arteries, delivering oxygen and nutrients while removing waste. Behold the brain, the command center of this complex operation. With over 86 billion neurons, it processes information, stores memories, and coordinates every action. A true marvel of evolution. Let's explore the respiratory system, where the delicate ballet of inhaling and exhaling takes place. The lungs, like two air-filled balloons, exchange life-sustaining oxygen for carbon dioxide. Now onto the digestive system, a symphony of organs working in harmony to break down food and absorb nutrients. From the saliva in our mouths to the enzymes in our stomachs, digestion is a finely tuned process. Meet the immune system, our body's vigilant guardians. White blood cells, like valiant warriors, defend against invaders, ensuring our well-being and resilience. Our exploration wouldn't be complete without unraveling the marvel of our senses: vision, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. These sensory gateways connect us to the world around us. In the tapestry of our existence, the human body is a masterpiece, a complex and wondrous creation. As we conclude this journey, let's marvel at the intricate design that allows us to experience life in all its richness. Until next time, stay curious about the amazing vessel that is the human body.